Welcome back to Theme Park Spark. Today we're at Disney California Adventure and we're taking you with us to ride the Golden Zephyr. This is a very kid-friendly ride since there is no minimum height to ride it. Just beware that this ride might be a bad idea if you tend to get motion sick since the ride does spin. I've never been on this ride, ever. Ever. This is a first for me. Watch until the end to see if we'd ride it again.
Welcome to the Golden Zephyr. As a reminder, we see only 2 people in one row, each with their own individual seatbelt. There is no lap sitting allowed, and the smallest flyer will enter first sitting on the right-hand side away from the rocket's opening.
Remain seated with your safety belt fastened. Keep your hands
Okay. We're seated with our safety belts fastened. It's Golden Zephyr. We're gonna go up and spin.
What if the ride crashes down and then we crash?
It won't crash down. Here we go. It just goes up and spins. Goes up and spins. Here we go. It is windy. Your dad would not be able to go on this ride. Yeah? Do you think you... Because it's like the jellyfish are jumping up and down.
You've done some real monkey jumps, but now it's not just zero for you.
The dropping jellyfish? I think we're coming back.
Then get out on through the nearest exit.
Was that fun? No. I got kind of a little bit dizzy almost.
Welcome back, flyers. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until your rocket comes to a full and complete stop. I'll be the one to let you know when you're safe to exit, but for now, please remain seated.
The view from the ride was pretty good, but I don't know that I'd ride it again. It felt too much like having wind in your face the whole time. But you might like it, so I recommend giving it a try on your next trip to Disney California Adventure. Every ride is worth trying at least once. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified about upcoming videos about Disneyland and other fun places worth visiting in Southern California and beyond. See you next time.